Hey Patrick, Trent Tate with Mercedes-Benz of Birmingham. Listen, just wanted to reach out to you with a quick video of the S580 that you have been considering here with us. And it's a beautiful build on this option. It is super hard loaded. So what I'm gonna do is turn this camera around to get you a little bit more information. So Patrick, this is the 2023 S580. The S-Class has always been our flagship sedan here at Mercedes-Benz. It always has that big, bold grille up there in the front, along with that raised Mercedes-Benz star. This one in particular has the extremely nice 21-inch V-Spoke wheels, as you'll see there. The color for this is, of course, black. It's got the black Nappa leather. All of our S-Classes of this generation have your recessed door handles. Those will pop in and out. As you get close to the vehicle, you'll also be able to lock your doors with that little tab there. Nice chrome accents on this model in particular give it a really luxury look. And the S-Class was redesigned in 2021, and they did an incredible job with this redesign. It's one of the most technologically advanced models that we do have in our inventory. And when we're talking S-Class, these vehicles are made for comfort and luxury. As you'll see, the nice glossy burlwood trim here. Got a piano black lacquer for your center console. This console will also close up nice and easy. Wireless charging and wireless Apple CarPlay will be standard. You'll have 2 instrument clusters there, Patrick. Your main 12.9-inch screen there will hold most of your car data as far as radio, navigation, etc. Your driver display there will also be a digital instrument cluster. This model, the way it's equipped, has the 3D display as well. So the vehicle will track your head placement and give you depth on that instrument cluster. And as you can see, back of the vehicle here, tons of room. These vehicles ride incredible second row. Passengers also have full control over their seat settings, heated and ventilated seats in this model. And the highly sought after Burmester sound system gives you an incredible sound system, very clean audio highs, lows, tons of charging ports throughout. And these Nappa leather seats sit like a dream. And there you go, Patrick. Very, very nice build on this S580. And you know you're connected with all the right people here at Mercedes-Benz of Birmingham. If you have any questions whatsoever, do not hesitate to contact me direct at 205-504-2358. And I can make you this personal guarantee. When you're dealing with Mercedes-Benz of Birmingham, expect excellence.